In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, effective change management is a critical competency for HR professionals. As organizations face unprecedented disruption, HR departments must lead transformation initiatives that align with strategic goals while supporting employee well-being. This presentation explores how HR professionals can successfully navigate change initiatives, from understanding theoretical frameworks to implementing practical strategies that drive lasting transformation. We'll examine best practices, common pitfalls, and emerging trends that shape successful change management in modern organizations. The stakes are extraordinarily high when it comes to organizational change. With 70% of initiatives failing to achieve their intended results, companies face significant financial and cultural consequences when change is mismanaged. HR departments serve as crucial catalysts for transformation, bridging the gap between strategic vision and day-to-day implementation. HR has undergone a profound evolution from a primarily transactional function to a strategic business partner. Today's HR leaders must demonstrate agility and adaptability while championing organizational transformation. This shift demands new capabilities, including change management expertise, data literacy, and strategic business acumen. Change management is a structured approach to transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations from a current state to a desired future state. It encompasses the processes, tools, and techniques used to manage the people side of change required business outcomes. Organizations face a complex array of change drivers that require strategic responses. From technological disruption to shifting workforce demographics, these forces create both challenges and opportunities for transformation. HR must identify these catalysts early and develop appropriate change strategies. Successful change management rests on several foundational principles that guide implementation. Clear communication forms the bedrock, ensuring all stakeholders understand the what, why, and how of the change. Meaningful engagement creates ownership, while leadership alignment demonstrates commitment and provides direction. The Kubler-Ross change curve provides a valuable framework for understanding emotional responses to organizational change. Initially, employees often experience shock and denial, necessitating artificial optimism while processing the implications. This typically gives way to resistance, exploration, and finally, commitment. HR professionals serve as vital change agents, aligning talent strategies with organizational transformation. They identify skill gaps, develop leadership capabilities, and create systems that support new ways of working. By translating business strategy into people-focused initiatives, HR becomes the connective tissue that enables successful change. Effective stakeholder analysis helps HR identify key influencers and potential sources of resistance or support. By categorizing stakeholders according to their influence and attitudes toward change, HR can develop targeted engagement strategies that address specific concerns and leverage support. According to Gartner research, companies are 5 times more likely to succeed with change initiatives when communication is clear and consistent. Effective communication addresses both rational and emotional aspects of change, providing a compelling why alongside practical information about how and when. Resistance to change is a natural human response that manifests in various ways, from vocal opposition to passive non-compliance. Rather than viewing resistance negatively, effective change leaders recognize it as valuable feedback that can improve implementation. By addressing underlying concerns and creating psychological safety, HR can transform resistance into engagement. Research from Gallup indicates that employee engagement typically drops by 40% during major organizational changes. This disengagement directly impacts productivity, customer satisfaction, and retention. HR must proactively manage engagement through transparent communication, meaningful involvement, and emotional support. During organizational transformation, HR policies and processes must evolve to support new ways of working. This alignment ensures consistency between stated change objectives and the systems that guide employee behavior. A systematic review prevents the confusion that occurs when outdated policies contradict new priorities. Effective training goes beyond technical skills to address adaptive challenges and mindset shifts. By providing programs that help employees learn how to succeed in the changed environment, HR reduces anxiety and builds confidence. This capability development is essential for sustainable transformation. Leaders at all levels play a critical role in change success. While executives set strategic direction and allocate resources, middle managers translate vision into practical implementation and provide day-to-day support. HR must equip leaders with the capabilities and tools needed to guide their teams through transition. Measuring change readiness isn't just a one-time assessment, but an ongoing practice throughout the transformation journey. By systematically evaluating organizational preparedness, HR can identify potential barriers early and develop targeted interventions to address them. Achieving initial compliance with new processes or systems is only the beginning. True transformation requires sustained behavioral change that becomes embedded in organizational culture. This sustainability depends on continuous reinforcement through formal and informal mechanisms. Modern HR technology provides powerful tools for managing organizational change. Human Resource Information Systems, HRIS, centralize employee data and automate processes, while self-service platforms empower employees with direct access to information and tools. Digital adoption solutions guide users through new systems with contextual help. Remote and hybrid work environments present unique challenges for change management. The pandemic has exposed communication gaps, reduced informal learning opportunities, and disrupted the development of shared understanding. HR must intentionally adapt change practices to bridge these gaps and ensure success across distributed teams. Organizational changes often involve sensitive legal and ethical considerations that require careful navigation. From data privacy considerations to equitable treatment concerns, HR must ensure that change initiatives comply with regulations while upholding organizational values and respecting individual dignity. In the realm of HR change management, there are several common pitfalls that organizations often encounter. Ignoring the cultural aspects of change can lead to resistance and failure in implementation. Poor communication, whether inconsistent or one-way, can create confusion and stall progress. Additionally, a lack of follow-through can cause initiatives to start strong, but fade as attention shifts elsewhere. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for HR professionals to avoid repeating mistakes and to ensure successful change management. To successfully manage change, organizations should focus on several key success factors. Continuous improvement, driven by feedback and results, is essential. Measurement and accountability through clear metrics help track progress. Inclusive implementation, involving diverse perspectives, ensures broad involvement. Two-way communication that connects both rational and emotional needs is vital. Finally, a clear vision and purpose that aligns with organizational values can guide the change process effectively. These factors help create a robust framework for managing change. A compelling case study of a Fortune 100 manufacturing company illustrates the global rollout of an HRIS platform across 16 countries. By adopting a tailored change management approach, the company achieved impressive results, including faster time to adoption, increased user satisfaction, enhanced employee engagement, and significant error reduction. This case study highlights the importance of a structured change management process and the benefits it can bring to an organization. Examining failed initiatives can provide valuable insights into what can go wrong in change management. A pharmaceutical company's failed merger with a biotech firm revealed several critical mistakes, such as neglecting cultural integration and lacking retention strategies. These failures led to a decrease in employee morale and productivity, as well as financial losses. Key lessons include the importance of cultural integration, communication, and retention strategies. Learning from these failures can help organizations develop more robust change management plans in the future. The future of change management in HR is evolving from a process executor to a transformation catalyst. With AI-enhanced change management, organizations can leverage predictive analytics to manage disruptions effectively. Agile change approaches allow for rapid adaptation, while culturally adaptive frameworks ensure global organizations can accommodate regional differences. As HR roles expand, embracing these innovations will be crucial for successful change management, enabling organizations to harness their full potential and drive sustainable growth.